Oh, no. Buzzcut is not the move. I'm off to school. What? No, I'm not choosing either of these.
Choose.
Okay, if I have to pick. Oh, Mama, I'm in love with a criminal.
The choices I get are so crazy. I have to choose if he writes his test or skips.
Yeah, those choices are very crazy. What? Are you insane? I'm not choosing.
What's wrong? Choose.
It's not even a choice.
Choose.
No. What's going on? Oh, please don't make me choose.
Choose.
Hey, sorry I'm late. Why hasn't class started yet?
The teacher's on some kind of super serious phone call. Thanks for letting me know. I'll make sure everyone's safe. Goodbye. Class, there has been multiple zombie sightings. No one is going home tonight. That's impossible. What? No way. I want to go home.
Don't you dare come here.
How can you read at a time like this?
I'm just trying to clear my head, that's all.
The zombies are approaching the building. Stay calm, everyone. How can I be calm at a time like this?
Just stay away from us.
Oh no. The zombies. They're coming in the building. Get me out of here. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? The zombies are in the building. Don't panic. I'm panicking.
You better hurry up.
Look out the window. Some random guy is coming to the building.
The bat has to be the better move.
Whoa, how did you fight off all those zombies? You're so cool.
Oh, you're not flirting with my desk.
I mean, it wasn't a big deal. How can we repay you?
How can you repay him? He caused it.
Wait, how do you? Come, you and I need to talk.
Okay.
How do you know that I was the one who caused this?
You know the random choices we get to make for our soulmate?
So you chose the apocalypse?
I didn't get to choose. It said either it's an apocalypse or an apocalypse. And then when I tried not to pick, it got mad at me.
That is so ridiculous.
Are you really thinking of kissing me right now?
What?
So spill it. How did you start the apocalypse?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm nervous, that's all.
Don't worry, we're in this together, no matter what. Kelly, please come to the stage to receive your number.
That's you.
Here I go. Uncover your number, please. 10.
Yes, that's my bestie.
Brianna, please come to the stage to receive your number. Please uncover your number. 0. She's useless. What a loser. Get out of here.
Wow, they're pretty brutal out there, aren't they, Kelly? Kelly.
Just go. I can't talk to you. Leave before someone sees us. Welcome. Our class will now be divided based on our numbers. Please sit with your fellow numbers. Hello, my fellow zeros. How does it feel to be the bottom of the food chain?
I don't belong here.
You don't belong here? What, you think you're better than us?
Yeah, I do actually.
And what makes you say that?
Well, I'm an athlete, head cheerleader, lead of the school musical, and I'm popular.
You're so popular? Go say hi to your number 10 friends over there.
I will. Hey guys!
Shut up, Zero. Come with me. I want to show you something.
Okay.
Here's a wall of all the fellow Zeros that went to our school. Take a close look.
Why are they all so young? All of the other numbers, it shows them through all their stages of life.
99% of Zeros don't make it past 25. They can only handle being outcasted and having no future or purpose for so long.
You mean they...
Precisely.
Mom, I'm home. I had the worst day.
Get out of my house immediately.
Time to see how much money my boyfriend has in his bank account. Not that that's important. I knew he had money, but not that much money. I'm gonna pay him a little visit.
Hey. Hey, handsome.
I shouldn't tell him I know what's in his bank account.
So, baby, what do you want for Christmas?
Well, there is this Gucci bag that I really like, but you know what? What am I saying? You don't have to get me anything.
Come on. Of course I'm getting you something. In fact, you might get that Gucci bag as long as you're not too naughty.
I'll try.
Right now, why don't you go out and buy yourself whatever you need?
Okay.
Bad news.
What?
Fluffy's sick. The vet says she needs surgery.
Well, how much is it?
It's about $2,000. We can't afford it.
You know what? I think I got it covered.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Good.
Babe,
Whoa. Back. Listen, it's not what it looks like.
We can't break up. I need his money. I can't break up with him. I need his money.
Her and I are just friends.
Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Babe, I made a mistake. I'm sorry.
It's okay. We all make mistakes. And it was my bad, really. I should have knocked before coming in.
Thanks for understanding. She kind of made a mess. Do you think you can clean up? I gotta go to work.
Of course, honey. I'll clean, and you just go make the money.
Thanks, babe. Love you. Bye.
He is so dead.
I'm so happy Fluffy's okay, but how did you get the money to pay for her surgery?
Mom, about that. There's something that I need to tell you.
I can't believe he cheated on you.
I know, but now that Fluffy's okay, I think I'm gonna go break up with him.
What?
Looks like he just got another paycheck.
And you still have his credit card. Don't break up just yet. I have a plan for how you can get revenge.
Hey, sweetie, Merry Christmas.
Who is she?
You know, I was about to ask you the same thing, but you look really familiar. Are you a model or something?
Actually, yes.
Figures.
I'm sorry, babe, but this girl was just leaving.
But you said...
No, stay. I think you're gonna want to see this. I actually got him a little something. Here you go, sweetheart.
Thanks.
Oh, wait, but first, before you open that, I believe this is mine, right?
Uh-huh. That's your Gucci bag. That's the one you wanted, right?
Yes, it is. Thank you. Okay, go ahead and open yours.
All right. What's this?
Receipts of things that I bought this week.
Baby, 10K worth of stuff?
Oh, baby, you and I both know that you can afford it. Oh, and there's a card in there, too. Go ahead and read that.
Roses are red, violets are blue, you're a dirty, rotten cheater, I'm breaking up with you?
Merry Christmas.
Girl, let's get out of here.
I'm right behind you.
Wait! Ladies, I'll buy you anything!
No amount of money is worth being with him. Goodbye. Please help me.
Oh, did you need my help finding something in the store, or...
Hey, can we hurry up the line? I'm on my lunch break. I don't got all day.
Do you need medical attention?
No.
Hey, it's okay. Can you wait over there for me, hun, and I'll get someone to help you.
You're allowed to use 3 words maximum when you go out. Don't be playing games with me this time. I'll be checking your words when you get back.
I'm so sorry, the line is really busy right now, but my manager will be over here to help you soon.
There you are. You took forever. Did you return the shirt? Good, let's get out of here. Damn, why do I feel like I'm forgetting to do something? Wait a minute. You were supposed to make dinner tonight. Go on. What? Is dinner ready? Hey, 8,996,000? You used an extra word, and you're gonna tell me why. You used an extra word, and you're gonna tell me why. Go on, talk. Explain yourself.
It was an accident. I was just telling the cashier thanks.
Uh-huh. You sure about that?
Yes, I swear.
You should really have your dinner. It's getting cold.
That's enough talking out of you. Go to sleep. Bed, now. How did you make that chicken?
Why?
Because after I ate it, my head is filling.
My phone is dead, and his is locked away. I have to get the charger. Please hurry up. Yes. 911, what's your emergency? I need help. Thank you for the information, ma'am. Officers will arrive shortly.
You thought you could get away with putting something in my food? Your words. Why did you use up so many? Actually, don't speak. I'll find out. You can't outsmart me. So step away from the girl. Let's see your hands.
Looks like I just did.
No.
Babe, I got...
Don't you dare use any more of those words. Understand? 5 million words? That's ridiculous. You won't be using any of those. What did I tell you about talking?
I'm breaking up with you.
Oh, really? Where are you gonna go? You don't have any money. 9 million words this year, huh? No one needs that many. Hey, I need you to go to the store for me. I don't like that pink shirt you bought yesterday. I want you to return it. You're allowed to use 3 words maximum when you go out. Don't be playing games with me this time. I'll be checking your words when you get back.
Hi, what would you like to return? Just that? Okay, hold on 1 second. That'll be $6.99 back on the card. Please help me.
I get to pick whether I'm gonna have a baby brother or a baby sister?
Pick sister.
But I want a baby brother.
Are you the one delivering the baby?
No.
Then pick sister.
Fine.
She's here.
Hi. Shh, no, don't cry. It's okay.
Give her to me. You're holding her wrong.
Hey, what are you doing?
Your little sister needs toys. You're way too old for that anyways.
Ready? Catch.
Ow!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you in the eye.
My baby, what did you do to her?
It was an accident.
Yeah, right. You know what? Go to your room. Your sister needs a blood transfusion.
What?
Yes, it's a really long story, but I told them you would donate your blood. Come on, we gotta go to the hospital now.
Wait.
You need to donate your blood to your little sister. Come on, we have to get to the hospital now.
Wait.
Okay, honey, let me see your arm. Samantha!
I'm sorry, I can't do it. You know I have a fear of needles.
Your little sister needs your help, ma'am. We cannot force her. Maybe you want to donate?
Yeah, why don't you donate your blood? After all, she's your favorite.
Okay, I'll remember this.
Mommy and I are going on vacation.
What about me?
You're staying here, you have school. We'll only be gone for 2 weeks or so.
2 weeks? But what about food and—
You can drive, and here's money for food. Now say bye, sissy.
Bye, sissy.
I used up all the money Mom gave me for gas for school, and now I'm starving, and there's nothing to eat.
Sorry you missed me. Leave a message after the beep. Hi there, I'm Officer Bloom. Your neighbors have reported this house. Are your parents home, sweetheart?
Why did my neighbors report my house?
My report says that they heard a young female crying for over an hour. What's the matter, sweetheart?
My mom, she went on vacation with my little sister, but she's not answering.
Okay, how about your dad?
We're not really in contact with him anymore.
Listen, you're not in trouble, but would it be okay if I take a look inside your house?
That's our pantry.
This is all baby food.
Yeah, so all that stuff is for my baby sister.
Alright, but what about your food? I gotta report this then.
Wait, is my mom gonna get in trouble? Because if that's the case, I take back what I said. She did leave me, like, a little bit of money for food.
Relax, everything's gonna be okay.
Officer, I can assure you I am not neglecting my daughter. Do you think I could have a word with her alone?
Go right ahead.
You called the cops on me?
I'm sorry, I didn't. The neighbors did because—
Shh. Do you want to take care of your baby sister by yourself? Then tell the cop what I tell you to say. You're going to tell the cop exactly what I say.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah,
Everything's fine.
Sissy, you wanna play?
not right now, okay?
Mommy, Sissy's being mean to me.
She is.
I wasn't. I was just telling her that I didn't want to play right now.
Baby, go watch Coco Melon. I'm gonna talk to Samantha. Honey,
What?
I got in contact with your father.
No, you didn't.
Yes, Samantha, I did, and he has kindly offered to let you live with him.
No, Mom, I don't want to go live with him.
He's expecting you. Come on, we have to go.
No, I haven't talked to him in a long time. I'm not going.
Fine. Samantha, dinner's ready.
I'm not hungry.
Well, that's not what you told the cop, now is it? You said I don't feed you, so here's your food. Is it good, Samantha? Good.
Mom,
Yeah?
I don't really feel so good.
Why is Sissy sleeping?
Because we're going on a road trip.
Mom, where are we going?
Mommy, Sissy's talking to you.
Sissy needs to rest, honey. Just ignore her and watch your show.
Coco Melon.
Hello? We're here. Okay, there's your daughter. Go ahead and carry her inside.
Karen, she's 17. I'll just wake her up. Come on, Samantha. Hey, wake up. Let's go inside. What the hell is wrong with her?
Look, she wasn't gonna come, so I...
Karen, are you kidding?
Mommy, who's that?
He's no one, honey. Just watch your show.
Actually, sweetheart, I'm your father, and you guys are coming with me.
No, Daniel, we agreed you take Samantha and I keep Susie. Besides, you left us because you didn't want kids anymore.
Well, now I'm changing my mind after seeing what you do to Samantha.
No.
Yes, I want my daughters back.
You can have one. How about none? Because I called the police. You what?
Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Girls, I just wanted to say thank you for giving me a second chance.
Yeah, you know, ever since Mom has been out of the picture, I've actually really appreciated the fact that I chose to have a baby sister.
I love you, Sissy.
I love you too.
Aw, group hug.
Hey, what do you think you're doing?
Nothing.
You are a terrible liar. You know you can't go outside until you turn 21.
But why? I'm 18. Isn't that close enough?
No, you're not going outside.
I need to know what's out there.
I'm going to work. Don't try anything while I'm gone.
Okay, see you later. Why is there nothing good on Netflix right now? Who's there? That's definitely not my mom.
Bailey, honey, listen to me. There's somebody inside the house. I saw it on the cameras. You have to leave now.
But I can't go outside.
It's just this one time. The police are on the way to save you right now.
What do you mean they'll save me? Okay, this is it. I'm going out the window. Ooh.
Hey, you can't touch anything.
Why not?
You can only touch 3 things today.
I don't understand what the big deal is.
You have to save them in case of an emergency, okay?
I'm sure it'll be fine.
You can only touch your own body or things you're already wearing.
I know.
Everyone take out your textbooks and open to page 3.
I can't.
You can't touch anything again today, Bailey?
Just how it is. I'm sorry.
You can follow along with what we're doing on the board. Hey, do you think you could hand me a pencil by any chance?
No, I'm sorry.
Why not? I can see that you can touch 3 things. Just use one of them.
No, I'm sorry. Just ask someone else.
I want you to do it.
Wait, what are you doing? Let go of me.
Look, it's not that hard. Bitch, did you just slap me?
Yes?
You're gonna regret doing that.
Reason? Reason of what?
Sorry, I forgot to tell you. You have to pick the reason you die.
I don't want to choose the reason that I die.
You have to. We all do.
Well, it's definitely not going to be by drowning. I'm going to pick the most painless one that I can.
Good luck. I don't think any of the options are good.
Murder? Oh my god, that's way worse. No. Can this give me an option that doesn't suck brutally?
Bailey!
Whoa, sis, what's wrong?
I didn't pick a reason in time and it picked one for me.
What? It picked one for you?
Apparently you only get 3 choices.
I didn't know that.
I'm so scared to ever get into a car again.
I'm so sorry.
Be careful with your choices, okay?
I will. Please just give me something painless. I don't remember anything that happened last night. Where am I right now?
Welcome to your escape room. You must complete 5 tasks in order to leave.
What? I don't want to play this game.
You must play.
Let me out of here.
If you fail to complete all 5 tasks, you will not be making it out alive.
What can you hold in your right hand but not your left? I don't know. My left hand. That wasn't so bad. There is no way I am doing that. Please just let me out of here. Okay, that hurt. What now? How am I supposed to give myself a tattoo? No. I don't know if you guys remember, but a while ago I had wispy bangs. My intrusive thoughts are getting to me right now, and I kind of want them back. So come with me to cut my hair and potentially fuck it up. I'm gonna do very small sections because you can always cut more hair off. Unfortunately, you cannot put it back. This feels like too much, even though it's like 4 strands of hair. Okay, I think this is good. You know what? We don't have time to be a baby. I'm gonna cut it short first. Oh, I already like it. It's not even short enough, but it's cute. I almost forgot to film myself cutting more. Okay, I hope that wasn't too much. That might have been a little short. No way, actually, I'm crying. It's not that bad, right? Okay, I think I'm just dramatic. I mean, it's fine. Honestly, I should have left them long. Next video is gonna be me selling this hair on eBay so that I can buy a wig to cover this. Please be a long time. I really want to stare at Josh in 4th period. What? What am I supposed to do if I can't see the whole day?
Hey, what do you think of this shirt I'm wearing?
Nothing, since I only got 4 minutes to see today.
Bailey, I'm to your right.
Oh. Am I gonna have to drive to school today?
No, bitch, I'll drive. You can't see.
Right.
You're in my seat.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know.
You're not even looking at me.
Shouldn't you check before you sit down?
I literally can't see anything.
Well, then feel around or something. I don't know.
Damn.
Don't worry, Stacy. This'll teach her.
Who did that?
Y'all are assholes. She did not deserve that.
Thank you.
I'm over here.
Sorry.
Oh, wow. You're really beautiful.
One? Well, at least he's popular.
Honey, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, just checking. I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
I know it's been hard, but try to have a good day, okay?
I will.
Guys, it's about to be midnight.
I'm so nervous to see how many smiles I got.
It'll be a lot. You're the happiest person I know.
I hope so.
Oh, wait, it's happening right now. I have 1,000. What about you?
1.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I just won't smile.
Are you sure? I've never seen you sad. Hey, Bailey.
Hey, guys.
Whoa, what is wrong with you?
I only got 1 smile.
Oh, that sucks. I have 4,000. Wait, does that mean you can't smile, like, at all?
No, only the 1 time.
Ew, we can't hang out with you. Come on, guys, let's go. I'm sorry, I have to follow them. Don't listen to them. They're assholes. It's not your fault.
They were my only friends.
I'll be your only friend instead, then. Also, I might have a way of helping you out.
Why you gotta be so mean?
You need to stay away from my boyfriend. He's coming over and I know that you like him.
Maybe we got lost in translation?
Don't pretend like you don't know. I saw you flirting with him.
It must be exhausting always rooting for the anti-hero.
Oh, hey, Bailey. I like your outfit today.
Lately I've been dressing for revenge.
I'm glad you're in a good mood. That made my day a little bit better.
Everything will be alright if you keep me next to you.
Wait, really? That's really sweet of you.
You belong with me.
To be honest, I'm in love with you, not your sister. I used her to get here.
Boys only want love if it's torture.
I knew it. I knew you were trying to steal my boyfriend this whole time.
There's nothing I do better than revenge.
How could you do this to me? You're my sister.
Don't blame me. Love made me crazy.
There is something seriously wrong with you, and you were done.
It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me.
I was wondering if you guys have Christmas specials.
No, we do not have any Christmas specials. Sorry. Wait, aren't you that guy from yesterday?
I'm super late. I have to go. Goodbye. I hate people around the holidays.
Me too.
Dude, there's another gift for you, but you're gonna need 2 hands for this.
A guitar? Holy shit! I need to find out who's been giving me these, and I know that guy has something to do with it.
He left. What are you gonna do? Chase him down?
That's a good idea. Wait.
Yes?
Who are you, and why have you been giving me presents?
It's not me, but I do know someone who can help you. Take this number and call them.
Why would I call this random phone number? Where did he go? I have nothing else to do. Hello?
Hello? Who is this?
Would you like any car insurance?
Salespeople again? Bye.
No, wait.
Okay, what's my superpower? What is this?
It's your birthday. What special power did you get?
I don't know. There's just a bunch of colors over my head.
Colors?
Yeah, there's blue. What happened?
Nothing. You just have blue lines on your face now.
Oh, I selected it.
It's so funny. She doesn't even get a real power.
Hey, why would you say that?
What? I never said anything.
That was so weird.
Hey, happy birthday!
Hey, my dude Jim!
She'll never know how madly in love with her I am.
You're in love with me?
What? How did you know that?
Whoa, I can read minds.
Hey, is your birthday party still on at your place?
Yes, of course it is.
I really hope her mom's there. She is so fine.
I'm so over this whole mind reading thing, and stay away from my mom. I wonder what superpower Red will give me. Oh, I forgot. Puts lines on my face. I don't feel any different.
Guess what? My crush asked me out and we're going on a date tonight.
Danger.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Why? You're never happy for me.
No, you don't understand. It gave me a danger warning.
A what? It looks safe to cross now. Let's go.
Danger.
Wait!
Whoa, that was close. Your power's actually, really useful. Hey, I invited Jim to come study with us.
Jim? Okay, but you know he's like madly in love with me, right?
Really? Since when?
Danger. Danger. Danger.
Oh, that must be Jim. I'll be back. I'll go let him
Danger.
in.
Wait, no. Let's see what power Black gets me.
What new power did you get?
I'm not sure yet. 63 years left?
Hey, Brianna, cool lines in your face. Very rad.
5 years left?
What?
Oh, it shows me how many years people have left to live.
Huh?
I would start taking better care of your health. You don't have much time left.
You're crazy.
63 years.
Why do you keep saying that?
That's how long you have left to live.
What? No way. I deserve way more than that. I have to study really hard if I want to go to med school next year.
I think it's better if you just live in the moment.
No, med school's my dream.
Yeah, but life is very unpredictable. You never know. In a year, you could be gone.
You're just jealous you can't get into med school.
What power will I get for purple? Ooh, purple kind of suits me.
Why haven't you left yet? It's 9 a.m.
9 a.m.? No way, I'm gonna be late for school. What's happening?
Whoa, how did you get here? You're lucky. You made it just in time for the bell.
Whoa, I can teleport. Class was so easy.
Oh no, I forgot my bag.
I got you, bestie. I got your bag, bestie.
Thank you.
And I also got this.
What's that?
It's the answers for the upcoming science test. I teleported into Mrs. Jennings' office and I took them. And the best part is, no one could have saw me go in. Because I didn't. I teleported.
Brianna, we saw that you took the answers.
Principal Smith, how is that possible? I never even went in.
You know we have security cameras, right?
I forgot about that. Gotta go. Alright, it's time to see what the last power is. Brown. Ugh, looks like shit. Hey, bestie.
Hey, Brianna, where are you?
What are you talking about? I'm literally right here.
All right, wherever you're hiding, come out.
I'm right in front of you.
No, you aren't.
Whatever joke you're playing or prank or whatever, it's not funny.
Looks like Brianna's absent today.
What? No, I'm literally right here.
I can hear you, but I can't see you. Come out this instant.
Why can nobody see me? Oh, that must be my new power. I can be invisible. How do I turn this off? Oh.
When did you get here?
Time to spy on people. What is my bestie doing over there with my boyfriend?
Brianna can never know the truth about our love.
Hey!
Happy birthday!
Ready to find out your sweetheart?
What's a sweetheart?
It's your soulmate,
It's who you're gonna love forever.
Prince Licorice.
What's wrong?
Nothing, Lolly. We'll handle everything. Don't worry.
Please, can I meet him?
No, Lord Licorice is a very evil man, and I'm sure his son is no better. Exactly.
But he's my sweetheart.
Nope, the system must have made a mistake.
Well, hello, my dear.
Who are you?
You don't know who I am? You really don't get out much, do you?
My parents never let me leave the castle.
I see. Well, I'm actually a friend of your father's, and I've brought you a gift.
Is this taffy?
Why, yes.
This is my favorite.
Try it. Good, isn't it? What's the matter? Too sticky? Sorry, princess, but I can't have you alerting the guards. I'm going to bring you to meet my son. Son, look who I've brought you.
Is that?
King Candy's daughter? Yes, indeed.
Why are her hands tied?
She's very feisty, but I'm sure she's happy to see you.
Are you?
Oh, she can't talk. I gave her the sticky taffy.
Dad? There, now you're free. Drink this. It'll dissolve the taffy. It'll take a few seconds to work.
Thanks.
I'll give you two some alone time.
It's really nice to meet you, Lolly. My name is Prince Licorice, but you can call me Luke.
Well, I want to go home, Luke.
Please stay. I want to get to know you.
No, your dad creeps me out, and I don't think I can trust you guys.
Lolly, I'm not like my dad, I swear.
No, I want to go home, and that's an order.
Fine, as you wish. Listen, it's gonna be a long journey for you.
You're not going to escort me back?
No way. My dad would freak.
So I have to walk through Candyland all alone? Forget it. I don't need you. I can handle myself.
Candyland is a very dangerous place, especially for a dainty princess like you.
I am not dainty.
Well, you sure are stubborn.
Goodbye, Luke.
Hey, we're supposed to be together. You're my sweetheart.
Well, having me kidnapped wasn't very sweet.
That wasn't my idea. Whatever, just go. I don't even care anymore.
Ugh, what is this stuff? Chocolate swamp? Uh-oh. Oh, this stuff is like quicksand. What do I do? Wait, I think my lollipop still has a little bit of magic in it, so maybe I can turn this into hard chocolate instead. It's working.
What are you doing in my swamp?
I was just leaving, sir.
Hey!
What is this place?
Princess? Are you lost?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh no, here, have some cotton candy.
Thank you. This is so good.
Glad you like it. How do you feel?
Good.
Perfect. You should spend the night here.
Okay.
The king is gonna pay a lot of money to get you back. Here, have some more.
Let her go.
Prince Licorice, what are you doing here?
I'm saving her from you.
That's my sweetheart. Isn't he handsome?
Hand her over, or else... You think I'm handsome? How could I not think you're handsome? Just look at how big your muscles are. How much cotton candy did you have?
A lot.
I'm sorry, Prince Licorice. I didn't realize she was your sweetheart. Please don't tell your father I did this.
We won't have a problem as long as you let us leave. Let's go, Lolly.
Bye.
How you doing?
Better. I didn't realize that the cotton candy made you loopy. Listen, I'm sorry for getting mad at you. You really didn't do anything wrong.
Nah, you're good. I'm sorry too. So you think I have big muscles, huh?
Shut up.
We should start walking back. There she is! Seize him! Arrest him, now! Get off of me!
He didn't do anything wrong.
Get her to safety.
Luke! Mom, Dad, you have to let him go.
He was an accomplice to your kidnapping. Even though he's your sweetheart, he has to pay a price for that.
No, he was the one that rescued me.
What? He did?
Yes, I've been trying to tell you. He was the one who saved me from the cotton candy fairy. Honey, we need to release him.
Lord Licorice took my daughter. I say we keep his son.
Dad, that isn't the way.
She's right. You two need to make amends.
Thanks for getting me released.
Of course, it's the least I can do. I'm really happy our parents are getting along now.
I'm so glad too. I need to ask you something. Lolly, will you make me the happiest man in Candyland and marry me?
Yes. Everyone, we're engaged.
Oh, congrats, sweetheart.
Just look at that ring.
Congratulations. Lolly, I couldn't have asked for a better soulmate.
Me either.
Mommy, what's this?
You can either be dating or married at 20.
Oh, well, I want to be married.
That's very young.
I know, but I want to be just like Cinderella and marry my Prince Charming.
I'm definitely gonna have to set up an arranged marriage for her.
Mommy, this just came on my finger and it's not coming off.
That's what happens when you pick the married option.
You may not remove the bandage until you turn 20 years old.
Talk to any cute princess tonight?
No, ever since this appeared on me, no princess will talk to me.
Dang. They're probably just afraid of marriage.
Yeah, I guess.
If they won't talk to you, that's their loss.
Thanks. Wait, you have one of these too.
Oh, yeah.
How did I never notice that?
I guess since I'm a guard, you just don't pay attention to me.
You can remove your band-aid. I know, I'm so nervous. I can't wait to see what prince I get. Happy birthday, you can take your band-aid off. I know, I'm so nervous. I can't wait to see what prince I get. Remember, it'll be their first initial. It's an S. But wait, I don't know any princes whose names start with the letter S. Good thing I made an arrangement. What kind of an arrangement? Marriage, of course. I found you a very handsome prince. Does his name start with the letter S? Well, no. Then he's not my soulmate.
Happy birthday, Violet. What's wrong?
My mom. She's forcing me to get married tomorrow.
To someone who's not your soulmate?
Yeah, Sam, maybe you can talk to her. She thinks really highly of you.
I mean, I'm just a guard, but I'll see what I can do.
Wait a minute. Sam? S? He could be my soulmate.
Sorry, your mom didn't listen.
Never mind that. Sam, when do you get to remove your bandage?
Actually, my birthday is tomorrow.
No, you need to remove it right now.
Huh? Why right now?
Because I think you and I might be soulmates.
No way.
I think you and I might be soulmates.
No way.
Please, just take off the bandage.
Violet, I can't. It won't come off until I turn 20.
All right, fine. But you better tell me first thing in the morning.
I promise. I will.
Your future husband has arrived. Actually, Mom, I really need to speak to Sam. Nonsense! You must not keep the prince waiting. Now come on.
Hello, Princess. Is that an S on your finger?
Yes, it's the first letter of my soulmate's name.
Well, just so you know, when we're married, I will have that removed.
It's literally ingrained on my finger.
Then I guess you'll be losing that finger.
Mom, I am not marrying that prince. He is evil. What?
Your guard, Sam, he's
what?
He's dead, sweetheart. I'm so sorry.
Sam can't be dead. I just talked to him the other day. I need to see him.
The other guards found him unresponsive this morning. I'll take you to him, sweetheart. Sam, please, give me a moment alone with him. Of course, Violet.
Sam, how could this happen? He had a V. He was my soulmate. You were so nice to me. I will never forget you. Oh, darling, you look so beautiful. You did choose to get married at 20, and now you get to finally marry your prince. I don't care.
Do you take Prince Daniel to be your husband? Violet, wait! Please, stop the wedding.
Sam? You're alive?
Yes, you won't believe what happened.
Sam, you're alive?
Yes, you won't believe what happened. Your mom, she poisoned me with a sleeping potion.
What?
But somehow, the spell was broken.
True love's kiss. Mom, how could you?
You said you wanted to marry a prince.
Oh, so you two were plotting together.
Well, we couldn't let you marry that scum, now could we?
See, the thing is, Daniel, I'd rather marry a guard than a selfish, cowardly prince.
I was wrong, darling. Please forgive me.
Then let me marry Sam. And maybe we can talk about forgiveness.
Yes, Violet, you have my blessing. Well, then what about me?
You wanted to have my finger removed.
Oh, yes, I did say that. Did he really say that, Violet? You know, as the princess's guard, it's my job to protect her from harm. Oh, please, you don't scare me. Really? Because you look a little scared to me, Daniel. I suggest you run. Yes, sir. I've been meaning to ask you this for a long time. Violet, will you marry me?
Yes.
I always had a feeling you and I were soulmates, Violet. Sorry you didn't get your Prince Charming.
It's okay. I got something better.
Disappear and stay? What does this mean?
It's a new form of population control. People can vote for you to disappear or stay. Why do you look worried?
Well, Dad, because I haven't exactly been nice to people. Everyone's gonna vote for me to disappear.
Oh, honey, it's going to be okay. Just try to apologize. Looks like it's finally payback time for you making fun of me all these years.
I understand. I'm sorry.
Hey, Giselle, remember that time you cut my ponytail off?
Jessica, that was in middle school. Can't we just forget about that?
Actually, we can't. You never even said you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Giselle?
Jake, hi.
Remember that time you cheated on me?
Look, I told you I was sorry. If I could take it back, I would.
Well, you can't, so... Hey, Giselle?
Look, just vote for me to disappear already.
I never really liked you, but... Hey, Giselle?
Look, just vote for me to disappear already.
I never really liked you, but...
You voted for me to stay. Why?
You're always mean to me, but I don't think anyone deserves to disappear.
Thank you. I promise I'll try to change.
Guys, look at him. He's such a loser.
Hey, leave him alone.
Look who's talking. You're a big bully yourself.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to change.
You could never change. Shit, I forgot my pen.
Hey, you could borrow mine.
Wait, really? Thank you.
You're welcome. Mom, I'm home.
Do you have your report card?
Yeah, it's right here.
Look at this. You got all D's. You're such a disappointment.
You don't mean that.
Oh, yes, I do. I think it'll be better for you to just disappear.
Mom, please don't.
You don't really leave me much of a choice.
Mom, I'm home.
Do you have your report card?
Yeah, it's right here.
Look at this. You got all D's. You're such a disappointment.
You don't mean that.
Oh, yes, I do. And I think it'll be better if you just disappear.
Mom, no, please don't.
You don't really leave me much of a choice. What's going on here?
Dad, Mom voted for me to disappear.
Is this true? Yes, she's just a waste of space. You know what? Giselle, just come with me.
Dad, what's going on?
It's time I tell you the truth. She's not your real mom.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm sorry. I never knew she would treat you like this.
You lied to me my whole life. I only need one more vote to disappear, so I'm gonna go find someone to give me that. Hey, I know you hate me. Can you please just vote for me to disappear?
Why would you want that?
Look, just do it.
Okay.
Hey, I know you hate me. Can you please just vote for me to disappear?
Why would you want that?
Look, just do it.
Okay.
No, I said vote for me to disappear, not stay.
But I did vote for you to disappear.
What?
You must be the one.
The one? What do you mean the one?
I can't tell you here. Come with me.
Can we stop running and you just tell me what's going on?
There's a rumor that there's a person that's unable to disappear no matter how many votes they get. And I think it's you.
Me? Why would it be me?
Because when I voted for you to disappear, it went to stay. People are gonna come looking for you. You guys, there they are. They found us. We have to go. Okay, I think we're safe here.
What are we gonna do?
I haven't been completely honest with you. There isn't only one person unable to disappear. There's two, and I'm one of them.
So you're one too?
Yes, and here's what we need to do.
Hold my drink.
Okay.
I gotta use the bathroom. Thanks for holding this.
Of course.
This is good, babe.
I thought you might like it.
What's it called?
It's called, Taken by Surprise.
Why is it called that?
That's why.
Just one more kill and you're rid of me. You're gonna miss me, aren't you?
You wish.
Well, tomorrow's assignment is no joke. Go get some sleep. You're gonna need it.
He's actually kind of cute. Damn it, stop it. No attachment.
This is for your freedom.
So you're telling me that this guy's a billionaire?
Yes, and he's got 2 bodyguards, so you gotta work your charm and get him alone. Then, you're gonna give him some of this. It looks like water, but if he drinks it, bam! He's dead. Think you can handle it?
If it means I never have to see your face again, then yes. Hey,
Hey,
what's your name?
my name is,
Are you always this articulate?
Brett. Sorry, my name's Brett. And that's why I hate snakes.
So, are those big, strong men over there your bodyguards?
Yeah, I have them for my protection.
Oh.
Is something wrong?
Oh, nothing. It's just, I wish we could go somewhere a little more alone.
This better?
Yes, but do you think you could get me some water?
Yeah. One sec. Cheers to, one of the most beautiful girls I think I've ever met.
Wait!
To, one of the most beautiful girls I think I've ever met.
Wait!
What?
Your drink, it has a bug in it.
No, don't. And that ruined my carpet?
You'll thank me later.
It's alright, I've been meaning to redo this place anyways. So you've been single for a while now?
Yeah.
Huh. You know, for me, it's always been kind of hard to stay alone.
Sometimes it's better to be alone. No one can hurt you.
Hey, listen, I get why you feel like that. But I want you to know, I'm not that type of guy.
We should stop this before
So you're telling me he's not dead?
I am done working for you.
No, sweetheart. We had a deal. You remember the obedience necklace, right? Don't make me use it. So tomorrow, no security, just you and me.
That sounds great. I'll see you then.
Good job. And tomorrow, you get that kill count up to 50. Hey.
Hi.
Remember, I'm watching you. You okay?
Yeah, do you think you could just get me some water?
Yeah, of course. Okay, when he comes back, you know what to do. Got your... Natasha, what are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Don't do this.
I don't have a choice.
You have 5 seconds to take the shot. I don't know who's making you do this, but you always have a choice. Do it! 3, 2, 1.
No! Run.
Guess I'll have to do it myself. Say goodbye to your freedom and your little boyfriend. Wait! How could you?
You wanted 50 kills?
Ugh.
Well, you got it.
Security, let's see those hands.
If they need to arrest me, I understand.
Actually, I work for the CIA, and if you're willing to come work with us, we'll drop all the charges.
Does that sound like a deal?
Yes, I would like that. Thank you, Brett.
You saved my life. I'll never forget.
Ooh, a button.
No, don't press that.
Why not?
Nobody knows what it does, and we're not allowed to press it.
Why is it there then?
I don't know why it's there, but you're not going to be the one to find out.
What if it's like $1 million?
Or what if it literally ends the world? You need to go to school and don't press it while you're there, okay?
Okay, I won't.
I heard that someone got rich from pressing it last year.
What are you guys talking about?
What the button does, we all want to know. Someone told me that it's like a genie, and if you press it, you get 3 wishes. Hey Bailey, I'll give you $100 if you press the button right now.
Make it 200 and you got a deal.
Easy, you got yourself a deal. You're not really gonna press the button, right?
Yeah, what's the worst that could happen?
Nobody knows, and that's why you don't press it.
We'll be fine.
Does that say what I think it says? Oh my god, we're all gonna die!
Hey, whoa, are you okay?
No, dude, he broke up with me over the phone.
I am so sorry. He does not deserve you.
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm taking selfies. But you were just sobbing like 3 minutes ago. Nah, I'm over it. I don't know if you guys remember, but a while ago, I had wispy bangs. My intrusive thoughts are getting to me right now, and I kind of want them back. So come with me to cut my hair and potentially fuck it up. I'm gonna do very small sections because you can always cut more hair off. Unfortunately, you cannot put it back. This feels like too much, even though it's like 4 strands of hair. Okay, I think this is good. You know what? We don't have time to be a baby. I'm gonna cut it short first. Oh, I already like it. It's not even short enough, but it's cute. I almost forgot to film myself cutting more. Okay, I hope that wasn't too much. That might have been a little short. No way, actually, I'm crying. It's not that bad, right? Okay, I think I'm just dramatic. I mean, it's fine. Honestly, I should have left them long. The next video is gonna be me selling this hair on eBay so that I can buy a wig to cover this. Please be a long time. I really want to stare at Josh in 4th period. What? What am I supposed to do if I can't see the whole day?
Hey, what do you think of this shirt I'm wearing?
Nothing, since I only got 4 minutes to see today.
Bailey, I'm to your right.
Oh. Am I gonna have to drive to school today?
No, bitch, I'll drive. You can't see.
Right.
You're in my seat.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know.
You're not even looking at me. Shouldn't you check before you sit down?
I literally can't see anything.
Well, then feel around or something. I don't know.
Damn.
Don't worry, Stacy. This'll teach her.
Who did that?
Y'all are assholes. She did not deserve that.
Thank you.
I'm over here.
Sorry.
Oh, wow. You're really beautiful.
Just as I suspected, she's the princess.
No, I'm not. Why are they saying that?
They're lying to you, Blair. They just want to take you away from me. The only one lying is him. He is not your real father. He stole you from the kingdom.
He had no reason to take me.
I guess he never told you.
About what?
Nothing. You have powers.
Powers?
Yes, all the royals do. That heart symbolizes your power to heal. I'm sure your father has used it.
I covered up my mark.
Good, honey.
Are you okay?
I will be. Just give me your hand. See, you always make me feel better.
This whole time, you were using me.
Of course not. Don't listen to them.
I don't feel so good.
Arrest him. Don't get a step closer to me, or else I'll kill her.
You're the lost princess.
What? Yeah, only the royals have that mark.
Oh, I see what's going on here.
What?
You're making fun of me.
I'm not. I'm being serious.
Save it. My dad said people would act weird when I showed them this mark.
But
I just didn't expect it from you.
Blair, you could be in danger.
Let go of me. I'm going home.
You went to school?
Yeah, you were right, okay? My friend made fun of my mark and started saying that I was some sort of lost princess.
Lost princess, huh?
Ridiculous, I know.
I hope you learned your... This is the royal guards. Open the door. Go cover up your mark.
But...
Now, Blair, and quickly. They want to take you away. That's my daughter. See? No mark. I'm not so sure that's true. We found some makeup over here. Well, that's not Blair's because she doesn't wear makeup. Really? Well, we'll see about that. Just as I suspected, she's the princess.
No, I'm not. Why are they saying that?
They're lying to you, Blair. They just want to take you away from me. The only one lying is him. He is not your real father. He stole you from the kingdom.
He had no reason to take me.
I guess he never told you.
About what?
Nothing. You have powers.
Powers?
Yes, all the royals do. That heart symbolizes your power to heal. I'm sure your father has used it.
I covered up my mark.
Good, honey.
Are you okay?
I will be. Just give me your hand. See, you always make me feel better.
This whole time, you were using me.
Of course not. Don't listen to them.
I don't feel so good.
Arrest him. Don't get a step closer to me, or else I'll kill her. Nobody move or I kill her. We need to cover up your mark. Nobody follows us, understand? Yes, sir, we understand. Perfect. No one can tell you're the princess now. Time to go. You can reverse your powers. All you have to do is say it.
Ow!
No whispering. We're leaving. You royal guards will never find us again. Reverse my powers. Oh, Blair, what are you doing? Royals' powers can heal, but they can also kill. And this is why you don't mess with the royals. Help the princess. Yes, Mom. Feeling better, princess?
Yes, thank you.
Good, because there are some people who would like to see you.
Hey, they have the same mark as me.
I can't believe it. It's you. It is my pleasure to inform you that my daughter, your princess, has returned.
You guys have probably figured out by now, I am obsessed with music. It brings me to life, which is why you can join me live on Tidal on April 4th using their new live session feature. You can listen to my top 10 tracks that prove romance is dead. I cannot wait to share these with you all, so make sure you join the live session.
Happy 18th birthday, sweetheart.
Thanks. So, I've been meaning to ask. Since I'm old now, can't I go outside?
No, you are not allowed to go outside.
But Mom...
Enough with this nonsense. You are not going outside.
Okay.
And remember, you have to heal me when I come back from work, okay?
I know, I do it every day. Can everyone else heal people too?
Of course they can. It's not just you.
Well, then why don't you heal yourself?
It doesn't work. I have to get going. See you later.
Who's there?
Hey, don't panic, but... Damn, you can punch kind of hard, Blondie.
And I'll do it again. Who are you?
I was running away from some bad people and I just needed somewhere to go. I'm sorry.
I'll let you escape under one condition.
Okay, anything.
I have to come with you.
Come on, please give me blue. Mom will disown me if I get red. Pink? What the hell is pink?
Why are you wearing that shirt?
Oh, because that's the color I was assigned.
You need to go take it off right now.
What? Why?
You cannot be walking around wearing pink. Go put on blue instead.
Okay, geez. Is this better?
Yeah, nobody will be able to tell now.
Okay, good.
Oh, Bailey, you got blue too?
Yeah, I did.
Why did you say it like that? You seem nervous.
Like what? I'm not nervous.
I heard that Martha got the color purple. Like what?
Purple? That's crazy. What does that mean?
I don't know, but they said they're gonna kill anyone with a different color.
They're gonna what?
Yeah, you didn't know that? Are you okay?
No, I'm fine.
I just hope that nobody got pink. That's the worst color of all.
What did you say?
Hey, whoa, are you okay?
No, dude, he broke up with me over the phone.
I am so sorry. He does not deserve you.
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm taking selfies. But you were just sobbing like 3 minutes ago. Nah, I'm over it. I don't know if you guys remember, but a while ago, I had wispy bangs. My intrusive thoughts are getting to me right now, and I kind of want them back. So come with me to cut my hair and potentially fuck it up. I'm gonna do very small sections because you can always cut more hair off. Unfortunately, you cannot put it back. This feels like too much, even though it's like 4 strands of hair. Okay, I think this is good. You know what? We don't have time to be a baby. I'm gonna cut it short first. Oh, I already like it. It's not even short enough, but it's cute. I almost forgot to film myself cutting more. Okay, I hope that wasn't too much. That might have been a little short. No way, actually, I'm crying. It's not that bad, right? Okay, I think I'm just dramatic. I mean, it's fine. Honestly, I should have left them long. The next video is gonna be me selling this hair on eBay so that I can buy a wig to cover this. Please be a long time. I really want to stare at Josh in fourth period. What? What am I supposed to do if I can't see the whole day?
Hey, what do you think of this shirt I'm wearing?
Nothing, since I only got 4 minutes to see today.
Bailey, I'm to your right.
Oh. Am I gonna have to drive to school today?
No, bitch, I'll drive. You can't see.
Right.
You're in my seat.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know.
You're not even looking at me. Shouldn't you check before you sit down?
I literally can't see anything.
Well, then feel around or something. I don't know.
Damn.
Don't worry, Stacy. This'll teach her.
Who did that?
Y'all are assholes. She did not deserve that.
Thank you.
I'm over here.
Sorry.
Oh, wow. You're really beautiful.